Want to speak real French from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at FrenchPod101.com.
Hi everybody, Candice here. Welcome to Ask a Teacher, where I answer your most common French questions. The question for this lesson is, what are the different uses of chez? This is a good example of a word that has multiple meanings. You've probably already learned that chez plus a personal pronoun means home. For example, je rentre chez moi means I'm going back home. But it can also mean at an office. For example, j'ai trouvé un emploi chez Disney means I found a job at Disney. And j'ai un rendez-vous chez le médecin means I have a meeting at the doctor's office. Finally, chez can be translated as among or pertaining to. For example, chez les Français, c'est normal de manger du cheval means among French people, it's normal to eat horse meat. And chez les Américains, les socialistes sont assez rares means among Americans, socialists are rather rare. And chez lui, c'est bizarre means that's strange for him. So to recap, chez can be a preposition to refer to someone's house or office. But it can also be a more figurative preposition, meaning for them, amongst these people, etc. It has a fairly broad meaning and can be used in lots of situations. For example, if you want to talk about American culture or politics, you can use the same phrase, chez les Américains. As long as the subject is understood, chez works just fine. Try to incorporate it into your spoken French. You will sound much more fluent, even when you don't know a word. Do you have any more questions? Please leave them in the comments below, and I try to answer them. À bientôt! See you soon!